Hi, this is Harita from Mental Math Calculations Made Easy. Welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to solve questions from CBSE Class 9, Chapter Heron's Formula, Chapter 12. This is part 2 of the video. In the first part, we have solved till question number 2. So, we will be solving from question number 3 in this video. So, shall we start now? Okay. Third question is, there is a slide in a park and one of its sides is painted in some color and with a message saying keep the park green and clean. And the sides of the wall are of 15, 11 and 6 meter. Now, we have to find the area that is painted with that color. That is the question. So, applying Heron's formula, we have A equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus A, right? And here S equal to 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2, which is equal to 15 plus 11 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32. 32 by 2 is 60. So, S equal to 16 meter. Now, we have to substitute that here. A equal to root of S into 16 into 16 minus 15 is 1 into 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 6 is 10. Root of 16 is 4. Then 4 into 1 into and 10 is 2 into 5. So 5 into 5 we can take that outside and that root 2 will be there in the root. So 20 root 2 meter square is the area of this slide. Okay. Next question is, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter equal to 42 centimeter. We are not given the third side, but we can find the third side, right? Given the perimeter, we can find the third side. Perimeter is nothing but three sides added together. So, we have two sides. So, what is the third side? 18 plus 10 is 28. Then 42 minus 28 is 14. So, we have the third side as 14 centimeter. Now, what is S? And S we can find from, no need of these sides, we can find from this itself. S equal to 21. That is, we can find S directly from this perimeter, which is equal to 21. Then, area equal to root of S into, that is 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3. Then 21 minus 10 is 11 and 21 minus 14 is 7. So, this is equal to root of 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. So, here 7 and 3 are occurring 2 times. So, we can take 7 into 3 outside, which is equal to 21 and this root 11 is there. So, 21 root 11 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Okay. Next question is, three sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and perimeter is 540 centimeter. Now, from this we have to find the area. So, sides are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. We can say that sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. Now, perimeter equal to 540. That is, three sides added together is 540. So, 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540. Which means 12 plus 17 is 29. 29 plus 25 is 54, right? So, 54x equal to 540. Which means x equal to 540 by 54, which is equal to 10. So, we got x equal to 10. So, what are the sides? 12 into 10 is 120. Then 17 into 10 is 170, right? Now, 25 into 10 is 250. Now, area equal to root of S into S is 540 by 2, which is equal to 270. So, 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150 into, then 270 minus 170 is 100 into 270 minus 250 is 20. Now, this is equal to root of 3 into 9 into 10, right? Into 3 into 5 into 10 into 100 into 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 10 also we can write as 2 into 5. 2 into 5. From this root we can take those occurring in pairs as one number, right? So this is 9 is 3, root of 9 is 3, then 3 into 3. So we have taken this into 3, then into, we have taken this also 10 into 10. So into 10 into, then 5 and 5 we can take. So into 5 into 2 into 2. So into 2 and root 100 is 10. So we'll get this as 3 into 3 is 9, 9, then 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 is 0, 0, 0, 0. So 9000 centimeters square is the area of this triangle. Okay. Next question is, an isosceles triangle of perimeter 30 centimeter has each of its equal sides as 12 centimeter. So from this we have to find the area of this triangle. Given that perimeter equal to 30 centimeter and equal sides are 12 centimeter each. So what is the third side? 12 plus 12 is 24 and 30 minus 24 is 6 centimeter. So we got the third side as 6 centimeter. Now just apply this. A equal to root of, and what is S here? 30 by is 15. 15 into 15 minus 12 is 3. So 15 into 3 into 3 into 15 minus 6 is 9. So 3 into 3 we can take outside 3, and 9 root of 9 is 3. Root 15, which is equal to 9 root 15 centimeter square. And that is the area of this triangle. So with this we have completed exercise 12.1. And so I am concluding this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like and share so that others can also benefit. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you and bye.